times before right here. Yay, we're really happy with it. Nice. What about 22? What's the simplest way you can do this one? Just let w equal 1 minus x. What does dw equal if that's true? Negative what? Negative what? I can't hear you. What?
Negative dx.
Negative dx. So now if you actually do the substitution, you end up with x the square root of w times, is it frozen? Thank you. Like that, x the square root of w times what's dx? Negative what? What's the problem with that expression? What haven't we gotten to yet? We haven't gotten to multivariable. What does this tell us right here? This tells us, what does x equal? What is it? 1 minus w. So you can plug that in right there, and then what do you end up with? 1 minus w times what? So you put like this, right? Here's the thing you always, this is the reason I gave you this one. Always look for simple ways out. So you got to this, and I see you guys tried to use parts right here. Can I show you a simple way? What can you just do at this point long? What? Again? No, at this point right here. What can we, just do what? Multiply, yeah, just multiply it out. What do you get? The integral of what? The square root of w minus w. Did I forget a negative sign? Where? Oh, because when he, I did it right there, negative, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that correct? And then I put the negative on the outside, right?
Yeah.
I put it on the outside, yeah. So what do I end up with now? I end up with negative what? The square root of w minus w to the what power? 3/2. Just distribute at this point. Just distribute. Can you now integrate that straight out? Yeah, so you end up with negative the integral of what? 2w to the, oh, not 2w, what? 2 over 3, that's right. 2 over 3w to the 3/2, right? Minus what? 2 over 5w to the 5 over 2 plus c, but what did w equal? 1 minus x. So what do you end up with? Negative 2/3 what? 1 minus x to the 3/2 minus 2 over 5 times 1 minus x to the 5/2 plus c. Could you distribute that negative in? Absolutely. But the point is, always look to, can you just integrate this? Can you just flat out integrate it? Can you just flat out integrate it? Be very careful. Work pretty well? Is that pretty good? Okay, so let's just chat about this one. Let's go up here. Haha, here. So let's work on these two. Why don't you get up and find a new partner? Get up and find, it needs to be cosine, that's it, right? What about the second one? What is that second one?